Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Row Show, and I want to do a quick video on this radio that I just received from GOOZEEZOO for review. And the reason I want to do a quick video is because it's on sale right now for 25% off. So it's down to $44.99. I've been watching this radio when it first came out as the ATS-20. And the ATS-20 had a problem with the tuning knob, that it would skip after you've been using it for a while. Well, the people that make this radio realized that and fixed it. They came out with the ATS-20 Plus, and the problem has been resolved. I was still concerned about the display. This is very small. The total product is 3.6 inches by 3.2 by 1.5. So the display is very small. I was concerned with my old eyes that I would have trouble reading it. Well, good news. I got the radio from GOOZEEZOO, and the display is fine. I can read the display easy. It's even better than in this picture. It's brighter, it's clearer. No problem reading it. So this is a great radio if you're just getting into shortwave listening, or even if you've been in shortwave listening for a while. It's good because it does a great job of the various bands, and it's very inexpensive. So if you're new, you can say, oh, okay, I'll try that and see if I like listening to shortwave. Or you've already been in shortwave and got other bigger radios. This is a nice small radio that you can put anywhere, take anywhere. Got a built-in battery, so you don't have to have it hooked up to any power. And I'm going to do a more detailed review coming up after I learn all these various buttons and what they do, because it has a lot of features, including it has lower sideband and upper sideband. So you amateur radio operators out there will love that. A lot of people, not a lot, a few people complained when I review a shortwave radio and it doesn't have single sideband. This one does have single band. So stand by. I'm learning how to use it. I'm going to release a video quickly in the next few days to show you actually in action. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.